Now, it's kind of tough to say how long it's been, but I want to say maybe around 9 months since I've been working from home. And in that time, something interesting has happened. I got acquainted with Amazon Alexa. I gotta admit, I kind of underestimated what Alexa is capable of doing, but after spending this time using the Echo devices, I gotta say, it's pretty incredible what Alexa is able to do, especially if you install all these different types of Alexa skills, because you could really enhance the functionality of the digital assistant. But before I get started in this video, guys, I just want to remind you to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, if I'm doing a good job. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our latest content. All right, so the number one thing I think you should check out is the Samuel L. Jackson Celebrity Voice Skill. It's $5, and I know what you're thinking. It's money out of your pocket, but let me tell you, you're gonna get the best digital assistant because he's a lot funnier than any of the others. Whether it's Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa, Samuel L. Jackson has them all beat. Samuel, do you have any words of wisdom for me?
Go with the flow, especially if the flow is a chocolate fountain.
And at the same time, you're still getting the same functionality. You could ask Samuel to turn on the lights, control your smart home, get directions. Whatever Alexa could do, Samuel L. Jackson can do, but better because he has some very interesting responses and also some R-rated antics. Hey Samuel, tell me a funny joke.
How do I prepare for an explicit monologue? I get all my in a row.
So if you buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, you'll really appreciate this feature. It's actually just a notification tone that your device plays to notify you that a package from Amazon has been delivered. So if you buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, you'll hear these tones whenever they get dropped off and delivered. And all you gotta do to find out what they are is just say, Alexa, what are my notifications? And from there, she'll tell you exactly what it is. Now, if you're like me, it's just annoying whenever you misplace your phone. I know sometimes it's in between the cushions, in the couch, or somewhere in the office. I just don't know. I just know that it's somewhere around the area. So that's why you want to check out the Find My Phone skill. Essentially what happens is that you ask Alexa to find your phone, and what she ends up doing is just making a phone call directly to your device. Alexa, find my phone.
I'm going to call the phone now, so listen out.
Obviously, it'll ring, and then from there, it's a matter of just tracking it down wherever it's located in your home. It's good in that sense, but the downside is that it's not like other Find My Phone features where they'll give you a GPS map of where it's located. Sometimes you just need a break or get away from your desk, which is why you should check out the Jeopardy skill. It's free, and best of all, it is hosted by Alex Trebek. Alexa, let's play Jeopardy.
It's time for the Jeopardy round.
Now, it's not a full-featured Jeopardy game, but it's nice because you're going to get 6 different categories with 1 question apiece, and Alexa is basically going to ask you those questions. You answer them, of course, in the form of a question, and you earn points. It's just a good way to break up your day, especially if you're looking to do something else besides being on your computer. Alexa, who is Samantha Bee?
Excellent.
And the last thing I want to talk about here is the announce feature. Now, to me, this is probably one of the more underrated Alexa features out there, but I think it's really useful and convenient because it's a quick way of playing a message across all your Echo devices at home. So, say for example, I'm driving from home and I want to announce that I'm on my way. I could do that one of 2 ways. So I could use the Alexa app on my mobile device, hit announce, then from there I record my message, and then that'll be played on all my Echo devices at home. Hey, I'm coming home, so make sure the door is open. Hey, I'm coming home, so make sure the door is open. If I'm home already and I want to announce that dinner's ready, I could actually use my Alexa speaker to record that message, and then from there it'll play it on all devices. So it's just a quick way of announcing something to everyone.
Announcing.
And those are just some of the Alexa features and skills that I enjoy using since I started working from home. Obviously, there are tons of different skills you could install and download and purchase. Check out the library. You could do that through your smartphone, through the app, or go to Amazon.com to check out the full listing of skills. And whatever you end up choosing, it'll just help you work from home a lot better. And that is it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about any of the stuff I talked about in this video, you can check out our website, digitaltrends.com. I'm John V. I'll see you in my next video.